So we're going to adjust your hip, okay? So I'm going to roll you way over like this. And we're just going to totally relax. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. And then right there. How was that? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Excellent. Okay, we're going to roll you way over here. Perfect. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Oh, excellent. Good job.
Nice.
Come on up. I'll put you right here, okay? Relax. You'll feel some pressure right. Perfect. Awesome. Wow. Perfect. You don't mind feeling super wonderful, do you?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, just checking. Just checking. Big breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax. There we go. Awesome. Take a big breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax your hips. There we go. Awesome. Good. Come on up. Let's get that neck adjusted. Now, I believe this is your favorite adjustment, isn't it? No more headaches, right? Perfect. Love it. Great. Relax your head. Ooh, amazing. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Good stuff. Oh, amazing. Good. I'm going to come down here to the third vertebrae on the right. Oh, excellent. Good.
It wasn't ready.
That's even better, Dad.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
You're welcome, Brad. Just relax your head in my hand. Relax.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Awesome.
good.
Yes.
Mmm.
And relax. There. Right.
Ooh.
How'd that
wow,
feel?
It felt amazing.
So we're going to do the ystrap, okay? So Sophia, lift up your head. Perfect. We're going to put her in the harness here. How would you describe this to patients watching, Sophia? How does it feel?
It might seem scary, but it's really relieving,
Okay.
honestly.
Does it relieve all that neck pressure?
Yes, it does.
Wonderful.
It's just like a whole 10 pounds off your shoulder.
I love it. Let's demonstrate, shall we, Sophia?
All right.
Great. Okay, so I'm going to take the slack out of her neck like this. I'm going to relax, taking the tension out of her neck. Warming up all the muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Then we're going to give her a little impulse. How was it?
Awesome.
Great. So that's it, guys. That's the ystrap adjustment. Let it all the way out there. Good. Relax. Relax your shoulders. Amazing. Relax. There we go. Dad's the most vocal. Dad is by far the most vocal. Dry needling, and I'm going to tap it like that. It's in. I'm going to advance the needle.
Does not hurt.
Good. Okay, so it's stopped right there. So we're actually going to turn it to get right through that tissue. Good. You doing okay, Carol? Great.
Perfect.
Good. We're going to turn it. The hit. See how it's stuck? Look at the needle bend there. So we're going to take it out. We're going to advance it. We're going to take it out. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Advance it. Right there. We're going to turn it to lock it in. Good. Okay. Now our second needle. There you go. Perfect. A little more. Yeah, right on your dad's hair. All right, we have Caleb here, the future chiropractor, working on his dad. He's in the apprenticeship program. He is doing really good, isn't he, Dad? And then we have the chiropractic assistant, beautiful little Bella here. She's observing. Okay, come over to this other side now, Caleb. Good job, buddy. Dad, how's he doing?
Good.
Great. There you go, Caleb.
Hi.
Check this out, Danielle.
What was that?
That's what you never do to your own neck.
You just did.
Yeah.
It's a smart
Never
man.
do that yourself.
You know what? I have come to the conclusion that men are just stupid.
What's that?
What?
Bubble wrap? Oh. What the heck?
Isn't that cool, Don?
Where'd you find out about this?
Okay, so we're gonna do, Randa, we're gonna take the slack out like this, okay? We're pumping the discs relax. And at the very end, we're gonna give Randall a little impulse. Great. How was that, Randall? Oh, look at the smile. Awesome, Randall. Today we're gonna be performing the Y-strap. Okay? We're gonna put the Y-strap right here. We're gonna tighten this up. So last time we did this on Randall, he loved it. He's asked for more, so we're gonna do round number 2. Got a kick in my neck.
Is that real?
Yeah, why?
That sounds bad.
It does no. That feels good. Oh, it feels so good. What?
No way.
Yeah.
That would break your neck.
No, that feels so good. We're gonna take this dry needle and we're gonna do some dry needling here. We're gonna tap it. Then we're gonna advance the needle. If you can see that needle go in there. Perfect. You doing okay, Carol?
Perfect.
Great. Advancing it in and out right there. We're gonna lock it, twist it. Perfect. We're gonna take another needle here. Go here. We're gonna tap it. Doing okay, Carol?
Doing okay?
Great. Turn it. Perfect. One more. Right there. We're gonna tap it. Advancing the needle. Excellent. Good job. How's that feel, Carol?
Just fine.
Great.
Can't feel a thing.
Okay, so we're going to do this on the bicipital tendon here. We're going to let the needles in there for 15 minutes, all righty? We'll see you in 15. Relax it. Relax.
Oh! That was a good
Didn't that
one.
feel good?
Oh, yeah.
See, the great thing about chiropractic is you get instant relief. Totally relax your head in my hand. Nice and easy. Just relax your head. Just relax.
Oh, man.
Well, yeah, just
No,
relax.
it wasn't as bad as I thought.
It wasn't nearly as bad as you thought. Wasn't
I thought I was going to feel like all in my brain and stuff, but it was just like right here.
No, it is exactly right where it should have been, okay?
Okay.
Great, just relax your head. There you go, that's it. Relax your shoulders, relax.
Oh,
Justin, your first ever adjustment. What do you think?
felt good.
Awesome, good, good, good. Doesn't that feel amazing?
Yeah.
And see, the great thing about chiropractic, it's very specific. Even you said it was right there. So it's a very specific adjustment, right where you had the vertebrae out of position, right where you had the damage. I mean, it was way easier, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's easy.
It was way easier than you thought. So today we're gonna do the Y-strap. So Brian, I'm gonna have you lift up your head. We're gonna go ahead and put the harness right here. I'm gonna give you a little tug. And that's, are you holding on there firmly, Brian?
Hold tight?
Yeah, hold tight,
Okay.
but relax your body. Let those big muscles relax, Brian. Okay, so you're gonna hold tight and relax, and we're gonna give you a nice little tug. Just a nice tug. There we go. I'm gonna relax that right shoulder to my hand. Perfect. That was good. Awesome. Well, thank you, Brian. And we're gonna bring the left side over here, a little bit more. Left side over here, Brian. Oh, that was perfect.
Very good.
How'd that feel, Brian?
Very good.
Tell everybody how you feel.
I feel better.
Great.
Definitely
Wonderful.
a big difference. Okay.
There we go. Nice little stiff tuck. There we go. Awesome. We should have mic'd you up, huh?
I gotta hear that from here, man. How'd that feel?
Amazing. You're gonna feel pressure right. Oh, that was good. How'd that feel?
Awesome.
Take a deep breath in. All the way out. You're gonna feel pressure right there. This is people's favorite. The neck. Look at her smiling. She knows already. Feel some pressure right.
It's a terrifying sound, but it feels
Yeah.
really good.
As you prefer to be headache free, right?
Oh, yeah.
There. Beautiful.
You just wait.
You just wait.
You just wait. It gets
Good.
better.
And then drop the elbow on my hand. Go like this. You're fine. Good. Relax it. There. Beautiful.
Oh.
And then drop the elbow. Relax. There you go. There you go. Wow. Good stuff.
Wow.
And it's very rare that people actually get their neck back into extension. And so this is why this feels so good.
Yeah, I have that problem. I slouch a lot.
Absolutely. Chiropractic is a great vehicle to relieve stress, pressure. Okay, take a deep breath here. L5 right there. There we go. Just totally drop the left ear. Ooh. Good. Perfect. Pushing the arthrostem forward, helping induce that curve. in your neck, okay? This has also been shown to increase your IQ 2 to 3 points, just so you know.
Okay, I need all I can get.
Okay, sounds good. There we go.
Oh, God.
Amazing.
Jeez Louise.
Good, now we're going to the other side. Relax your head.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Did you hear that? Oh,
Dude,
wow.
amazing.
It's better than, you know what?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
So we really appreciate everybody watching our YouTube channel. Make sure to let us know what you guys want to see. Comment, like, subscribe, and make sure to hit notifications. But get involved. Tell us what you guys want to see. We love it. And we will personally respond to everybody. I'll see you guys next time.